So let's learn more about the three type of bonding that I was talking. The first type of bonding is like ionic bond. Ionic bond is very simple. This is the first bond. This is your ionic bond. Ionic bond is very simple. I would say give and take relations. Okay, I give and you take. So that is why there is a mnemonic I square. So electrons are transferred from a metal to the non-metal. From positive and the negative ions will be seen here. The strong attraction hold them together, and these are basically hard, brittle, and high melting points, often soluble in water. Example is sodium chloride, which is stable salt. Okay, so how this bond takes place? So as ionic bond is actually transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal is known as ionic bond. So what is the condition? One atom should be metal, the another atom should be non-metal. So somebody there to give the electrons, somebody there to receive that electrons. So therefore I have mentioned here, I give and you take. Okay, it is like giving and taking relationship. Am I clear? Now look at the example here. We have sodium, which atomic number is 11. It is your sodium metal, atomic number 11, which electronic structure 281. Okay. On the other hand, I have chlorine atoms, which atomic number 17, its electronic structure 287. Alright. So always remember, atom will be very happy or atom will be very stable if they have 8 electrons or 2 electrons at the valence shell, at the last shell. So sodium doesn't have 8 or 2 electrons in the valence shell, so it is unhappy atom. Chlorine is having 7. It is also not having 8 electrons or 2 electrons, so it is also unhappy atom. So they wanted to become like a noble gas. They wanted to become like noble gas. Noble gas are very happy atoms and very stable. Okay. So how they can become happy? After donating electrons. So when the sodium is donating this 1 electron, you can see in the electron structure this is 1 electrons that will be given to chlorine. So when this 1 electron is given to chlorine, sodium will have only 8 electron structure. That means 10 electron only. Okay. Out of 11, 1 is given. So remaining electron is 10. So chlorine received that electrons. So before it was 7. So add 1 more because 1 electron came to chlorine, right? So it became 8. That means the last. So total electron number it became 8. Okay. So who is giving? Sodium is giving. Who is taking it? Chlorine is taking it. So therefore this relationship is known as giving and taking. You know the rules of charges, right? And opposite charge attract together. So you can see there are oppositely charged ions like sodium plus and chlorine ion is negative. So positive and negative, they will attract together and then they will form sodium chloride. Okay, how? This is Na plus and this is your chlorine minus. Yes, this plus and minus they will attract together because of electrostatic force of attraction, and finally a sodium chlorine compound will be being produced. So therefore, as the sodium chloride is made by means of ionic bond, so therefore it is an ionic compound. It is a ionic compound. Okay.